Morning students, today our topic is nature of roots, and our nature of roots of equation depends on the value of d. We know that with the help of quadratic formula, roots are minus b plus root d divided by 2 into a, and second root is minus b minus root d divided by 2 into a. Now in this case, when we can say that roots are real or roots are equal or roots does not exist, this condition, this value depends on the nature. This is the nature of roots. If and directly we can calculate this value, that whether the roots are real or we can find out these roots or not. How we can calculate this value? With the help of d, and d is called the discriminant. This d is discriminant, and what is the value of d? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now in this case, if d equal to 0, if d is equal to 0, this is our first case. If d is equal to 0, substitute this d is equal to 0 in the roots, then we obtain minus b plus 0 divided by 2 into a, and in second case minus b minus 0 divided by 2 into a. So from both the condition we can say that both roots are same. So what condition we obtain? If d is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. So what is the condition? If d is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. So this is our first case. Now for second case, if d is greater than 0. If d is greater than 0, it means d is a positive value. Positive value, in that case 100%. We can find out this value, and then in that case we can say that roots are real and unequal, because in this case first value is minus b plus square root of d divided by 2 into a, and second root is minus b minus square root of d divided by 2 into a. And in this case we obtain two different values, that's why these roots are real and unequal. Now in third case, if d is less than 0, it means d is a negative value. Negative value, suppose minus 2 is a value, minus 3 is a value. And can we find out the value of root minus 2? No, this value does not exist. So if d is less than 0, then roots are not real, or we can say that, or roots does not exist. So this is the conclusion in this case, and these are the nature of roots. And this condition now we want to find out with the help of our question. In some question is given to us, just you have to find out that what type of roots exist, whether roots are real or roots are not real. So with the help of this condition, with the help of this d is equal to b square minus 4ac, we can calculate our values of roots. Now in question number first part, quadratic equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. First compare the coefficients. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 5. And we know that what is the value of d? B square minus 4ac. Now b is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. Minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. 9 minus 40 is minus 31. If d is here, what is this d? D is a negative value. And if d is a negative, so what is our conclusion? If d is less than 0, then roots does not exist. This is the answer of this question. Now come to the second part. In your second part, 3x square, this quadratic equation again is given to us, and again we want to find out the nature of these roots. So when we compare a is equal to 3, b is minus 4 times of root 3 and c is equal to 4. Again calculate the value of d. D is b square minus 4ac. Now b is minus 4 times of root 3 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4. Now minus 4 square is 16, 16 3 ja 48 minus 4 4 ja 16 3 ja 48. And if d is equal to 0, then what is the nature of roots? Roots are real and equal, because we know that if d is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. And then you can find out the values of these roots with the help of quadratic formula. Okay. Now next part, again we want to check. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Find out the value of d. D is equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. Minus 6 square is 36, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 36 minus 24 is 12. So 12 is a positive value. So what is the nature of roots? Roots are real and unequal. So these are the conclusion about these values.